If you were about to file for divorce or a child custody case right before this pandemic hit, you might have put everything on hold. But actually, there's a few really strong advantages to filing right now. The first advantage that you get is you get an earlier timestamp on your case. Why does that make a difference? Well, when the courts open back up again, they're going to have a huge backlog. Things have been closed for 6 weeks. It's probably going to be 2 months before they start holding regular hearings from when they quit to when they began. And there's going to be a huge number of people who have been sitting on the fence, maybe that they were about to file and then they didn't. Then you get a rush to the courthouse and everybody files. Well, the courts aren't going to be able to hear everybody right away. And if your time date is an earlier date, most likely the court's going to put you ahead of somebody that files later. The second reason that you might want to file right now is we can actually get a lot done on your case even when the courts aren't holding normal hearings. The first thing done when somebody files for divorce, they file for a child custody or support order, is they file the paperwork and then we have to serve the other party. Well, we can serve the other party during this time period when the courts aren't holding normal hearings. And the 20 days that they have to answer, that starts ticking by right now. And so the sooner that you file, the sooner that you get towards a resolution. And the earlier they have to act to file a response. A third reason why you might want to file right now is, are you thinking that you might be able to work something out with your ex? A lot of times the delay in being able to reach a settlement comes from the conflicting schedules of the two attorneys. Attorneys spend a lot of time in courts, depositions, mediations. Well, right now, a lot of those have been canceled. And so the likelihood of your attorney and your ex's attorney being able to find time that is available on both of their calendars to work on a settlement of your case is a lot higher.